What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. First of all, I want to say I'm sorry I was out for over 20 days now, and here I'm back and more than ready to proceed where we stopped. For today's project, we're gonna use this neon green, this sky blue and the yellow microcord. The neon green and the sky blue are the 550 Paracord. Today's project design is done by Elena Polkanova, so go ahead and check Elena for more awesome project as this one on her Instagram page. And that being said, we're gonna take the sky blue and we're gonna insert it into the bracelet core, but before that, if you don't know how to create this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner here. Also there you can find a tutorial for this awesome paracord bracelet as well as many other paracord projects. So that being said, let's continue. So as you can see here, I insert both the microcord and the paracord into the paracord feed or a needle. Now I'm going to insert it into the paracord bracelet core or a base, and we're gonna proceed. So now when we insert our cords into the bracelet core, we can start with the weaves. We're gonna take the left strand cord of this neon green and we're gonna make it in the middle between second and the third core strand and to the side. Now with the right strand cord we're gonna do the same in the middle and to the side. Then we're gonna take the sky blue and we're gonna insert it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from this right side, but before this crossing here. So from the top into the gap between those 2 core strands. And now we're gonna make it around, under and around, and from the top side we're gonna pull it only through the sky blue loop on the right, so here. And we're gonna do the same with the left strand of the sky blue from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side. This is first and the second, so into the gap and pull it. Now from here make it under and around, and then through the loop on the left, but only this sky blue loop, and pull. Now from here we're gonna take this microcord and we're gonna make it from the top into the gap like so, and then around, and from the back side into the gap between the microcord and the core strand like so. And from here we're gonna pull it under this sky blue to the side, and we're gonna repeat that with the left strand of a microcord, so from the top into the middle like so, and then from the middle, from the back through the middle, and under the sky blue. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, and we're gonna proceed. So we're gonna do the next weave. Take the neon green into the middle, and the right strand neon green also into the middle. Now under this microcord will go the sky blue, and then from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, and to the back, and the same with the left strand. So from the top into the gap, and now from the back through the middle, and then the right side through the loop on the right, but remember, only through the sky blue loop, and the left side through the loop on the left side, and proceed. Take the microcord into the middle, and from the middle through the back, from the back through the middle again, and under the sky blue, like so, and with the left microcord from the top through the middle, and then from to the back, and from the back through the middle, and under this sky blue, like so. Now pull everything to make it tight. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and on the end, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you will be notified whenever we post a new content. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!